Today we will do the presentation about business communication. For the team members are Najwa Raqiqah, Reka Aldilana, and Ahmad. For learning objective in Chapter 1, we should be able to explain how communication skills fuel success, identify tools for success in 21st century, describe the significant trends, examine internal and external communication, and analyze ethics in the workplace. So let's go to the explanations.
Communication skill equal your path to success. Interviewer for a defense contractor BAE system may request a writing sample to literally see if the candidate can write, but also to find out whether the applicant can organize and share ideas. To achieve literacy in the digital age means thinking critically about new media. It means using technology thoughtfully and in a professional manner to achieve success in a hyper-connected world. Thinking critically in the digital age. As you can see, understanding the problem is essential and must come first. Generating and selecting the most feasible ideas is the intermediate step. Finally, the problem-solving model prompts you to refine, justify, and implement the solution.
Trend in communication technology. First, social media and communication. Second, challenge of new media. Third, adoption of communication technology. Next is collaboration tools. First, social media for business. Second, web conferencing. And the last one is blog, podcast, and wikis. First is social media and communication. Large organizations effectively integrate social media, while some smaller business also experience benefit. And the second one is challenge of new media. Social media come with drawbacks, including data breach and identity theft. Companies must be proactive in managing their online presence and responding swiftly to crises. The next one is adoption of communication technologies. Companies are increasingly embracing digital tools to connect with consumers, gather feedback, and improve their offering. Next is collaboration tools. First one is social media for business. Companies use platforms like Twitter, Facebook to interact with customers. Second one is using web conferencing, enable real-time meeting with participants worldwide. And the last one is blog, podcast, and wikis. Blogs help business communicate with customers and employees, while wikis offer a collaborative platform for creating and editing digital files. Okay, next is communication technologies in the workplace. First, mobile and digital convergence. The modern workplace is shaped by mobile device, apps, social media, and cloud computing. Second one is VoIP technology. Businesses are moving to voice over internet protocol VoIP, which eliminate long distance charge. And next one is voice recognition. Computer with voice recognition software allow users to dictate document, enter data, and browse web using the voice command.
Internal communication. There is formal emails, reports, meetings. Informal, casual conversations, and grapevine. External communication. Formal press releases, official statements, and informal social media, word of mouth. Effective media choice. Tailor to audience message complexly, urgency, cost, and need for interactivity. Overcoming barriers. Physically use text age video conferencing, semantic simplify language, psychological foster trust, structural encourage cross-departmental communication, participational build empathy, and technological update tools provide training. And there is a nonverbal communication. Mentoring nonverbal communication furthers strangers' relationships and professional image, crucial for career and organizational success.
Next chapter we should be able to understand the importance of teamwork, discuss effective on meetings, explain and apply listening techniques, understand nonverbal communication, and developing professionalism and business etiquette.
For the team performance, there are 4 steps. It's forming, storming, norming, and performing. During the first stage, individual gets to know each other. They often are overly polite and feel a bit awkward. The next step is stormings. Members define their roles and responsibilities. This stage often produces conflicts, resulting in storming. The next step is norming. The group periodically checks its agenda to remind itself of its progress towards its goals. The last step is performings. Some groups never reach the final stage of performing. For those that survive the first 3 phases, however, the final stage is gratifying.
So, This is what we need to prepare before the meeting. First, we need to consider alternative. If the topic is not urgent, use the anime or phone call instead of meeting. And the second is invite the right people. Make sure to invite the people who have the information and authority to make decision. Use a kind of program. If possible, use calendar software to schedule the meeting. And the next one is during the meetings, we need to start on time and introduce the agenda. Second one is train participation on technology. It means ensure everyone know how to use the online meeting tools. Next one is encourage participation. Make sure everyone heard and no one dominate the conversation. The next one is confront or conflict openly. If there is a disagreement, encourage open discussion to reach a consensus. And the last one is we need to summarize along the way. When an agreement is reached, summarize it and ensure everyone is on the same page. Next, after the meeting, we need to review meeting decision, like ensure everyone understand the outcome and the next step. To distribute meeting minutes, it means send the minute to all participants a few days after the meeting. And last one, we need to remind people of their tasks, follow up to make sure everyone complete the task assigned during the meeting. To improve our listening skill, we need to stop talking. We need to listen actively, ignore distraction, and find a quiet place. Keep an open mind. It means beware of your bias and try to listen without judging. Next one is paraphrase the speaker idea. Use airtime wisely. Use memory aid. It means if something is important, use trick like acronym or rhyme to remember it. And the last one, we need to take note carefully. Write down key point and review your note to make sure you got everything right.
There is workplace ethics, core principles, integrity, respect, accountability, and fairness. Goals of ethical communication, transparency, trust, positive reputation, and ethical influence clarity. Tools for ethical conduct, code of ethics training, whistleblower policies, ethical decision making models, strong leadership, transparent communication, professionalism, and etiquette. Build trust, communicate clearly, strengthen relationships, enhance reputation, boost career opportunities. Conclusion: today's dynamic and network work environment demands excellent communication skills, especially with the integration of social media and new communication technologies. While these tools offer unprecedented opportunities, they also present challenges that require business to adapt and innovate continuously. Also, ethics professionalism are vital for workplace success, driving trust, clear communication, and career growth.